Is your Samsung washer displaying an OC error code? This means the appliance has detected water overflow, which can happen due to a clogged drain, faulty water inlet valve, or excessive suds. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, your washer should be back to operating safely. What does OC mean? The code indicates that water levels have exceeded safe limits, often caused by drainage issues, high detergent use, or sensor malfunctions. First, check for excessive suds. Use only the recommended amount of detergent. Too much can create foam and trigger the overflow sensor. If you've used too much, run a rinse-only cycle to clear the excess suds. Next, inspect the drain hose. Ensure it's not kinked or clogged. Straighten any bends and flush the hose with warm water to remove debris. Also, confirm the hose is positioned correctly, inserted no more than 6 inches into the standpipe if applicable. If the issue persists, clean the debris filter. Locate the filter, refer to your manual, link in the description, turn off the water supply, and rinse it under warm water to clear blockages. For persistent errors, reset the washer. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. This also allows the system to recalibrate sensors. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!